Hey guys, I'm Asif Ali and you're watching CGHOW video, and today I have created this shockwave material here in this shockwave material, and I applied it on sphere so it looks cool here also. So I am just using emboss mesh, although I created this shockwave material and it has different parameters from which I can change lots of property. I'll show you in this tutorial. So let's start this tutorial. So you can see with this parameter, this offset, this is how it pan through this whole mesh. It looks really nice here, you can see. And what else I have these parameter. First is distort, how much distortion you want in your texture. To make it 0, it will be complete like this, a circle, and then you can add little bit distortion like this. Okay, and it can be lots of variation can be made out of this material. And then this is the edge, this is 45 now. If I increasing, edge gone. If I'm decreasing, edge are brightening. Okay, so 45 default. Then this is edge glow, this is 290 almost, and if I increase this you can see even hotter, and if I decreasing this there is no edge glowing. Okay, so 290 almost. Then this is expo, this is exponent value of the power node, and if I increase this is 3.8. So I will have this whole field or just this type of it. So you can see there can be lots of variation of this single material. Let me make it 3.8. Then this is Fresnel, and this will work here on sphere best. So if I increase or decrease, you can see now just the distortion. So I can increase or decrease this Fresnel. And then this is the offset which I am using to pan this whole texture on my mesh. And after this is refraction, 0.08 right now, and if I just offset this here, you can see this Fresnel here, sorry, refraction here and here also. So this is the parameter. This is right now for 0.08, and I can increase or decrease this thing. 0.08 is best range, and this is refraction range. Actually this works the same to increase or decrease, just to make the range change the, so you can change this distortion from here to here. Now this is the speed of panning. If I make it 5, you can see obviously 0.5 is this. And then tile X and Y, tiling of this texture. So this is also matters a lot. You can change the styling like this, it will be noisy, or like this, and you can make this styling, and you can make something like this. So this can be a variation of your shockwave. Cool. So right now I'm using this 1.5 for best result. And of course I have this noise texture, and if I browse this and show you here, I have lots of noise channel texture, and if I change the texture this whole effect will change. See how it looks now. And of course you can change any color. I like this one, I think. I like this pink, or maybe slightly orange. Okay, so this depend on the texture, and you can try different texture and you will have different effect in your material. Like this pixel, how cool this look in this disc. And let me offset this. Cool. Even you can use this texture. So by default I am using this one, and I'll just provide this whole material with this single texture, and you can just download and try changing your own noise textures. So what is inside that material? This is my material. See, very small material. And if you have seen one of my previous tutorial, which is this hexagon sphere, I used same technique here. It was just the mesh was different. If I use this material on a sphere, just a simple sphere, it will look almost same. So if you have watched this tutorial, this is 31 minutes. I have described it from scratch, so you will have better understanding. Although I am doing it again from scratch for you, how I did that whole thing, so you will have idea. So this mesh, this disk, let me show you the mesh. This is a disk which UVs are like this. So if I pan something, it will from center to outside. So you can easily make this mesh if you want. I'll provide this mesh also, you can download if you don't have. Although this is very simple, just take a cylinder in Maya, delete the caps, scale it down, make it flat, and normalize the UVs. Okay, so I'll create a new folder here, just call it test, and let's create effect, material test. Okay, so I have this material. I will make an instance of this also, and I'll apply this instance on these meshes, both